Yo, what is up, guys? It's Nolan from RN Customs, and I wanted to bring you guys a little deal I found on eBay today. I got some notifications that they had adjusted the price. There's a Prez 20 sale right now for EcoWorthy, and it's supposed to be 880 after the coupon, but they lowered the base price to 880, and then you can get an additional 20% off currently. So, man, I got you guys really low. Oopsies. Um, but yeah, so 704 for a 5 kilowatt hour, 48 volt Life PO4. Will Prouse did a video on these. They come a little short on the output or the storage capability. He was getting anywhere from, I believe it was 98 amp hours to like 102. But communication on these, people seem to like them. I don't personally have one yet, but I've been looking at them, and for 704, I'm itching to maybe pick one up. So that's the first deal I wanted to show you guys today. I'm making this video quick. And then these, if you guys have seen my other videos, if you haven't, I recommend you check them out. I've got two Hayrack running gear frames that I have a bunch of panels on these. They don't, this is the 45-inch version, which is what I mainly have. I've got a couple of 41s, but I don't think they sell those anymore. And a similar situation, it was supposed to be 59 after coupon, and it actually is 56. So you're paying 28 bucks a bracket if I'm doing this correctly. And I have a method to stack these so I can go 300-watt panels high. So if you guys are looking for some cheap aluminum brackets or the 5 kilowatt hour new server rack batteries from them, go ahead, check it out. Let me know if you guys end up picking any of the deals. If I missed anything, let me know down below. See you, everybody. Leave a like, subscribe. Thanks.